Hello and good day. Here is another album. This is the baby boy version now, like the baby girl one I made. I used a tutorial from NW Lady 1949. I think her name is Patty here on YouTube. I'll put a listing below for her YouTube channel plus the tutorial that I used to make this mini accordion baby album. I use the papers from, I got this at Michael's Recollection. It's 180 sheets, the thinner pages. It has a set of boy, a set of girl, and a set of gender neutral baby papers in here. Plus it has a lot of cut aparts, which was fantastic. I went to the girls, or to the sticker section, and in there they have a girl ephemera pack and a boy ephemera pack that matches this paper, which is fantastic. So I bought the boy and girl, and so in this album I used the boy set. I bought this box at our local Dollarama to keep the album in there. Here I just put a divider in here so that they could put memorabilia of the baby in here if they wanted to. I added some ribbons so that I could just pull the album out, or they can. So hers measures, I believe it's 6.5 by 6.5, so you have to slightly cut down your 4x6, where I changed the size of my album to 6 3/4 by 6 3/4, so that way a 6x6 will, or 6x4 will sit right down onto the pattern paper, and you don't have to cut it down if you don't want to. Here's one of the chipboard elements that came with it. It does have some foil on it, which is cute. When you open it up, oh, and I should mention that also another difference is mine has pockets on the top with pull-outs, whereas hers didn't have pockets. Plus with hers, when you get to the end of the book, you have to come back to the beginning to go to the next. I made mine so it just continues, but when we get there, I'll show you that. So you open it up and we go to month 1, and it didn't come with month stickers or anything, so I printed these on my computer. It comes with these cute little puffy stickers. The ephemera pack does, with these little chipboard pieces too. So when you flip that up, I made it that I left it blank so that they could either put a slightly under 3x4, or they could journal about the baby's milestones for the month right there. Here's some of the cut aparts that it came with. Welcome. And here they can put a 3x4 on with a little bit of a border, or they could journal on it. And here they can fit a 4x6 on perfect if they like. Oh, and as you can see, they can just glue the 4x6 like that, or however they want, or 3x3s or 3x4s or whatever they want to put on there for picture wise. And then the first mat here, another little foil piece, which is cute. Here was one of the cut aparts. They can journal on it. And on the back, I did leave these so they can put the picture underneath and stick it behind there. More little cut aparts. Month 2, some more little stickers. Here they can do it again. Put a picture or journal. Here's another little chipboard element that comes with the ephemera pack. This is one little, I just popped that up so that the little papers or little picture holders could fit under there. And on this mat, they made it so they could put the picture underneath there. And here they can journal or put a 4x6 or 3x4, sorry. Stick it under there. 3 months. Once again, some little 3x4s and one little chipboard elements. Heaven sent. It's blank on that side. This was just a border punch that I had in my stash. There they can put a 4x6 on there as well. 4 months. One. And on this pullout, another little 3x4. And blank on that side. 5 months. It is really cute paper. On this pullout, it's blank on that side, but on this side they have another place they can tuck. And they can add more pictures in there if they wanted to. 6 months. No elephant. I guess they thought elephants and sea went together. But it's still really cute. And it's plain on that side. And here they can put a 4x6 perfectly on there. And then hers, you would have had to, oh no, 7 months, sorry. And a little chipboard element. Oh boy, it's cute. And I did use a magnet to keep this down so it didn't fly all over the place. And a little pull apart, or cut apart. And a little whale. Okay, so for hers, you would have had to go back to the beginning to go to 8 months. But mine, I made it so that it just flip over and then it goes to, whoopsies, goes to 8 months. You flip that up. Little cut aparts, 9 months, and then I just fussy cutted this out of one of the 12x12 sheets and just put it on navy paper. They can journal or put a baby picture there if they wanted to. 10 months, 2 little 3x4s again, 11 months. There's another 4x6 or 4x4. 12 months. I would love these little puffy fishies on there. They're cute. And happy first birthday. Oh boy. And a whale, and then they can put journaling or put a picture, whatever they would like on there. And then when you flip it, you're back at the beginning. So I hope you liked the album. And if you have any questions, please just post it below and I'll answer them if I can. And thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.